Kyndling is a flexible, fast and familiar modeling platform. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to demonstrate how to build a basic multi-scenario model that produces BI quality data for your reports and dashboards. To start your model, simply add a settings tile. We'll make this a 12-month model that starts on the 1st of October, with a period type of months, and used index as the periodicity. Next, add a model tile called Sales. You can have as many tiles as you want and place them wherever you like in the workbook. We'll do a simple price and volume model. Price is set to start at 100 and interpolate to 120 by the end of the model. Volume is set to start at 10 and go to 20. Next, we write our formula for sales. Select the canvas and filter by name for price, and then do the same for volume. Before we run our model, we need to add a data tile to receive the results. And now we run the model to receive the BI quality results. And this is where the fun really begins. We're going to create a base and aggressive scenario simply by copying and pasting the assumptions we originally had with our price and volume. Simply just copy the inputs, which you can also do for formulas, to separate between base and aggressive. The core part of the model is the sales formula, so it will be applied to both the base and aggressive models. We hit run, and the results populate. You can see base, and then immediately under aggressive, which makes it easy for segmentation. As a bonus round, we're going to add in some sensitivities straight into the model as well. We're going to run sensitivities on our volume for the base scenario and test the output of our sales. We're simply adding in the indexes that we'd like to select for those sensitivities, and then select output for the sales. And then we hit run again, and the results populate really quickly. And with our data cube, we can run some really quick, high-quality reports that immediately have both scenarios and sensitivities in the one place. Our next video will cover building a simple cohort model. Thanks for watching. See you next time.